ECM X13 and 2.3 blower motors require the correct combination of line voltage, control signal voltage, and specific control inputs to run reliably. ECM X13 motors typically need constant 120 volt single-phase power to the motor housing and a 24 volt control signal to the motor's designated terminal for speed commands. Some 2.3 blower motors accept 240 volt in systems designed for that line voltage, so confirm the unit label before applying power. The 24 volt control is provided by the furnace or air handler control board and may be either a variable PWM pulse train or a simple thermostat call for heat or cool depending on the motor interface. So consult the unit wiring diagram and set the control board jumper or dip switch to match the motor type. Grounding and neutral must be solid and connected to avoid erratic behavior and to allow the internal electronics in the motor to reference signals correctly. If the motor has a separate plug for communication or a separate speed tap harness, verify continuity and pin out with a multimeter before swapping parts. For commissioning, apply line power first, then energize the 24 volt control signal while monitoring for correct startup rotation and listen for abnormal noises indicating mechanical or capacitor issues. Common mistakes include applying the control 24 volt signal without confirmed line voltage, which can produce no movement and intermittent fault codes. So always verify 120 or 240 volt line presence first. Another frequent issue is assuming all ECM motors accept the same control type. Some expect a PWM frequency while others expect a digital communication signal, so match the motor specification to the control board setting or use the correct adapter harness. A third problem is poor ground or shared neutral wiring, creating noise that disturbs the motor electronics. So separate the motor neutral and ground, where the schematic indicates, and cleanly terminate connections at the service panel. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who list motor control and furnace services and allows contractors to advertise availability to homeowners. We host a discussion community where users and professionals share wiring tips and troubleshooting steps that relate directly to ECM and 2.3 blower motor installations.